The night beckons.
For today's build, we're going to be making a simple dinghy. As this is only a display, we won't be making the bottom. This build is made up of a few pieces. It is one sheet of 4x8 5mm plywood, or the thinnest you can get, a 2x2, and two pieces of 2x6. The 2x6s can be replaced with 2x4s if needed. We're going to start by cutting a 4x8 piece of 5mm plywood in half, the long way. The store where I got the plywood was nice enough to cut it in half for me. Then we're going to want to cut a corner off both pieces at about a 15-degree angle. Next, we're going to get the 2x2 and we're going to cut it to length to match the front of the boat. Here, we're just going to match the blade to the line that we drew. With that angle already established, we're going to cut the next closest side. Next, we're going to attach our 2x2. We want to use the angled side of the plywood and make sure that the corner we cut earlier matches the pointy part. I recommend you pre-drill holes before screwing them together. This next part can be tricky, and I really recommend using a clamp here and finding something to lean the plywood on. Just for reference, the boat is currently upside down. Next, we're going to cut the 2x6s into 4-foot long sections. The bottom 2x6s are going to be cut at an angle to give the boat its final shape. Basically, you want to be building this shape. When we're satisfied, we want to screw these pieces into the remaining 2x2s. These 2x2s only need to be 2-foot long sections. Finally, we can attach the newly made board to the plywood. As our boat is still upside down, we want to make sure the curved part is at the top and the 2x2s are on the inside. Now all that is left to do is flip our dinghy over and our boat is complete. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button or check out some of our other videos and consider subscribing.